Hey guys, so today I'm going to be replacing the carrier bearing on my '89 Jaguar. Also, look at my adorable cat. Hi Lucy. Meow again. Meow. Alright, so first thing we gotta do is jack this thing up. Looks good. Good. All right, let's give the old yeet. All right, she ain't going nowhere. Alrighty, let's give my old skateboard a roll under here. Oh God. Oh shit. It's hard to see under here, but carrier bearings right there. Here's a bracket that holds it in place. And I'm going to try and get it all out without dropping the exhaust, because that would add a lot more work and a lot more time. So I'm going to start by, oh shoot, disconnecting it from back there. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it. I'm going to start by undoing those bolts. Oh God. All right, oh shit. Get this here. Oh no. That's a bummer. I probably should have put some eye protection on. I'm going to get rust in my eyes. I'll just do those, you know, safety squints. God damn, how tight did I make this bitch? Holy shit. Whew. Well, we all know that wasn't gonna come undone. That's a good thing, I guess. Alright, so that's not gonna be able to come out. 3. Let's fucking go on. 3, 2, 1. Fuck. Ah, shit. Rust in my eyes. Fuck. There we go. Oh, this is not good for my carpal tunnel. Where the fuck that land? Ugh. Shit. Oh, look at that. Right in there for me.
Everything going okay, buddy?
I've gotten 2 bolts out.
Start.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully you just drop that down and it'll slide back out of that carrier bearing and then replace the carrier bearing.
That's what I'm hoping.
That'd make it a lot easier for you.
That was my grandpa. He used to be a mechanic. He's retired now. Jealous. I think he said he's going to Florida for a month. Oh, I'm going to have to use the wheels then. There we go. Wait a minute. Turn it back this way. Can I get that bolt out now? Nope. Alright, we gotta put it back in park so it don't move when I'm wrenching. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh my god, that one was tight. Whew. Come on! Jesus. Oh my god. There we go. Right, I'm gonna have to get the torch. Oh my. Alrighty, so I got the drive shaft disconnected from the back. Now we're gonna see if I can move it around and then slide it out of the carrier bearing, which is back there. Alrighty, so the exhaust got to come out of the way now. So oh god. Alrighty, so I finally got it out. There's a carrier bearing. There you go. I don't know. It doesn't sound too bad, but when you're going down a road 80 miles per hour, this thing is loud. Yeah, so put that there. Alrighty, I got it off. Kind of broke, but doesn't really matter because we're replacing it anyways. So now I'm gonna clean up all of this so it slides in easier, and then I'm gonna put the new bearing on and get it put back up in there. Alrighty, so this is what the new one looks like in there. I don't have it on it completely yet, but you see I cleaned this up. Not as rusty, so that should slide in a lot better now. Alrighty, got a new one on. If anyone's wondering, you just get a socket, you can just, and then a hammer, and just bang it on. Boop. Now time to slide this bitch back in the car. Ugh. Fuck. Alrighty, so I got it back up in there. Can't really see, but let me move the light. Alright, you can kind of see it up in there. The bolts, they're bolted in there. I had to get new bolts because the other ones were trash. I also had to put new nuts up there because when I was putting up through, the nuts that were tack welded in place broke off. So it made the job a lot harder. So I just bolted those bolts back up there and frame over here. I just slid the yoke back in. I think it's a yoke. I slid that back in, put the bolt back in that went in this way, where the universal joint is here. There's a bolt, put that back in. Bolted it back together here, and then bolted the muffler back, the exhaust back on. I would have filmed it, but it ended up being complete hell. Like, this took hours, just these two bolts here, because they wanted to break and not work, and I had to go buy new ones. So yeah, all in there, good to go. I'm going to be taking on a test drive here in a bit. Alright, now I need to clean up this mess of a garage. Nice and clean. Look at that. Off the ground, and I'm going to get ready to take it for a test drive. Alrighty, my face don't look that dirty right now, but yeah, that's how dirty my face got doing that. Alrighty, so far through the neighborhood, it's doing fine, but it's only at like 25 miles per hour. It only started getting really bad around like 60. So I'll be right back when I'm doing about 60 miles per hour. Alrighty, let's get up to 60. Alrighty, we're at 60, smooth. Don't hear that noise. 70. I think we're good. Or not. So if you like that video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos on this car, then hit subscribe.